I guess it's a good morning, isn't it?
A little bit.
I don't know, I'm a little bit hungover. It's opening weekend at Alton Towers. We're going to have a really good day here because we've got, two new attractions. We've got Hippity Hop over in CBeebies land and the Dungeons.
Which we're doing today and tomorrow.
Yeah, so we've got 2 slots. We'll probably only be, I don't know, we'll do something, I don't know. I can't plan that far ahead. Not in my state at the moment, but we're heading over to Wickerman. We're looking forward to it, actually.
I'm actually really looking forward to it.
Like, it's nice to get back on it after the close season. I don't see any fire though.
Oh, it was rough today. I've got a headache.
Yeah, that didn't do well for the hangover, did it? No, definitely not. I mean, still good. Like, it's as good as I remember it.
Yeah,
it's fun.
But I felt like I didn't really enjoy it as I have done before because it was so rough.
Yeah,
like,
I don't know whether they need to
got a real headache now. Like.
Yeah, I don't know whether they need to like depump it at some point or do something with it, but
it was still good.
It's
the queue is huge. Though.
Yeah, it's 75 minutes at the moment.
I don't think I've ever seen it in this bit like for ages.
No, not for a long time. Not since Scarefest, really, was it?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. So,
I wonder what the rest of the park's like. To be fair.
Well, to be fair, I reckon it'll probably be quieter. Yeah. Yeah, I was walking past and I just kind of went, blimey, what the hell's gone on here? Re-tarmacked all this.
There's quite a few new things.
But why?
Like new.
I don't know what they did.
There's a lot of like HP Leisure lights.
Yeah, there's little like stalls, aren't there again?
Like,
yeah.
a claw machine just behind us. Like, that I didn't recognise from last year.
I mean, it just generally looks like the park's been like spruced and tidied up a little bit. It's not bad. I like it. It's good.
Yeah, are those like new little flower pots as well?
I think they were there last year, maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they were.
But no, it looks quite nice. The park looks clean and tidy, so they've done well.
Yeah, looks lovely.
I hope it stays like this.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. Let's wait until summer.
Yeah.
Do you think of 13, Amber?
Yeah, 13 was good. Really good operations today.
Oh yeah, walk on pretty much, wasn't it? I mean, well, we got into where the Tesla coil is, and we basically just like kept moving non-stop.
It was so quick. It was
really good.
It was really good operations for 13.
I enjoyed it. I like 13. It's always a good coaster, that.
13. Launch at the end is quality though.
That's the best launch on park. Can't be that. Rita's just poor in comparison. Anyway, we're off to X Sector. See you in a bit. Hello, Amber. We're heading over to the Dungeons now.
Yeah, we've got 2 minutes to go.
And I've just seen over here. Blimey, like they've just painted half of Charlie. It's just like a black colour, well, like a dark browny colour.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's just weird seeing it this way. It's not what I thought it'd be, but from what I can see, they've got some real fire going on. That looks interesting. Don't know if we can see it in the, well, there's people in the camera, but yeah, we'll get a closer look in a moment. Got one issue, and a lot of this stuff is just looking temporary. Why put fire in the park if you're not going to let people near it? Well, not in a weird way, just in a, I don't know. The entrance looks cool. Opened up a lot of the area.
See you later, mate. Have a good day. See you later.
Cheers! James! Goblin's back! She can go away now. Goblin!
Let's go.
Hello, Goblin. Let's go. Sesh! To the pub! Sesh! Well, we just came out of the Alton Towers dungeon, and I've got to say, I am really impressed by that.
I was so impressed.
Yeah.
The acting was so good. I think, in my opinion, and I think probably yours, it was one of the best ones that dungeon.
Definitely, yeah. I was about to say, it's definitely one of the best dungeons that I've done. I don't think it's quite the best, but it's definitely on par with some of the others like around the country. And even like parts of it are better than the London one, and that's really the flagship dungeons.
Yeah.
Like the boat ride in there, I've got a few elements that I'm not keen on.
I really like the boat ride.
It really makes that attraction.
I think the boat ride was better. It's better here than the one in London.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the London one's almost like quite melancholy. Like it goes on, and it's just a bit like, you know, this is a transport thing. That feels like an actual scene in there.
I really enjoyed that one.
Yeah, I like that. Other highlights, like the Molly Lee, witch scene at the end, very good, very reminiscent of the Warwick Castle
the end
dungeons.
scene at Warwick,
and also, I thought the judge in this one is definitely, by far, the best judge scene I've seen in any dungeons.
I thought all the acting by everyone was so strong.
Yeah.
It was really good. I'm really impressed.
Yeah, it's a fantastic attraction. I love it to pieces. I didn't think it was going to be as good as it was, and it's by far exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, definitely.
We have got another ticket to do it tomorrow.
So we'll see how it is tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll get some extra kind of impressions.
It's only £5. Well,
yeah,
I think it's online. I think it's £7.50 if you book.
Yeah, £7.50 on the door and £5 online. I believe that's what it is.
But I was really impressed.
Try and find it out, and I'll put it in the description.
I was so impressed.
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But we're going to go get some food to eat, and we'll speak to you in a bit. Good morning, James.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fresh. How are you, Philip?
Fresh. I'm also fresh.
Good.
Where are we going?
That way.
That way. Oh look, it's the Alton Towers Traffic Patrol. James doing? Here we go. Geeking out. What are you doing? Look at him. What a nerd. And here we have the wild James Allgood, back in his natural habitat, geeking over rides.
Towers.
B&M. Yeah. Welcome to John's Geek Moment of the Day. I've brought James here to see the Chinese pagoda in all of its lovely repainted glory. Welcome back to John's Geek Moment of the Day. Here we go. The Chinese pagoda fountain opened in 1832, designed by Robert Abraham in a Grade 2 listed building. That's it for John's Geek Moment of the Day. Right there, James.
139.
You look like you've just been on like a really big walk or something.
139 beats.
Oh,
Through the valley.
Through the valley. Through the old gardens. What happened there? Red Root represent. Tired now.
139 beats per minute.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Get some exercise. Oh, they opened it now. Well, where? All right. What are we off to do, James?
Dungeon.
The Alton Towers Dungeons. Yeah, second time doing it.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too. I'm really
I liked it
excited.
yesterday, so we'll get James's thoughts afterwards as well.
I'm hoping it stays the same as like the level of quality is like the same as yesterday.
Yeah, definitely. Hello, James. What did you think of the dungeons?
It was good.
Yeah,
Good.
it's about all that can be said, really, isn't it? Yeah.
Don't look up.
Don't look up. Oh dear.
I really enjoyed it.
No, you like that one, don't you? I like it as
I
well.
like the end scene.
It's good fun.
Quite boring.
I feel like yesterday's run was slightly better.
Yeah, I felt that as well. But everyone still did really well.
Yeah,
And
it's good.
I got picked on as Sweaty Betty.
Yeah, this is now Sweaty Betty.
Sweaty
What was it you were
Dance.
dancing in a wig? It's the dance. Yes. What's the plan now, James?
Let's go have a look at the towers now it's open.
For God's sake.
Yes.
Back on single rider, James.
Yes.
Yes. How are you feeling, Emma? Single rider on Smiler.
Oh, I've happily brought it back. I always think single rider's a good idea anyway.
Yeah.
I think they should do a lot more parks. So.
Yeah, well, I mean, most parks really do a single rider queue of some sort.
Yeah, I think it's a great idea. Even if like you want to do it as a group or even if
Yeah.
I was actually a single rider, I
Yeah.
think it's a good idea.
It does make sense. Right, next stop, correction. Welcome to the Alton Towers monorail. Por favor, dejable de las puertas.
Please stand clear of the
Please stay clear of the moving doors, James.
Take my iPad.
Okay. It's the end of the day. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Is that it?
Oh, bye.
You'll see him at store, Betty.
Yes, and Jefferson.
You'll see her as well.